Hey there, hi there, hello there everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's so good to see you again. Before we get started with today's video, I'd like to take a minute to honor and recognize the fallen members of our military who gave the ultimate sacrifice in serving our country. It is Memorial Day weekend, and this is the weekend that we stop and think about and recognize, honor the fallen members of the military. It is also Sunday, the last Sunday of the month, so that means it is the Sunday Fun Day Challenge. This Sunday Fun Day Challenge is hosted by Jenny and Diane from Deco Easy, and their co-hosts this month are Trish and Kay from the Crafting Cousins. In today's video, I made two very special DIYs to recognize our members of our military and our beautiful country of America. So come on, let's get over to my craft room, bring your coffee. Let's go see what I made this Sunday Fun Day Challenge. Come on, let's go, vámonos, let's get to that craft room. In this DIY, I'm using this Home Sweet Home spring decor piece from the Dollar Tree. I'm using 4 of these little decor boxes that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I painted mine white. I'm also using some Waverly antique wax, some blue and white and red and white twine. These letters, stickers from the Crafter Square section at the Dollar Tree, a scrap piece of burlap, and an American flag that I trimmed down to 3.5 by 3.5 inch squares. Now please keep in mind that I do honor our American flag. I respect our American flag. I love our American flag, and I am in no way desecrating our American flag in this DIY piece. I started by Mod Podging the 3.5 by 3.5 inch squares into each of the boxes. Once I had them all in place, I applied a top coat of Mod Podge to each one. Next, I glued all 4 pieces together. I used a combination of wood glue and hot glue. The wood glue is for a more permanent bond, and the hot glue is for an instant bond. Here I'm making sure to wipe off any glue that may have seeped through before it dries. Next, I took the letters and spelled out the word America. I placed the letters on the burlap and sealed the stickers with Mod Podge. Next, I removed the decorative piece from the Home Sweet Home sign by just sliding it out. I cleaned out the groove in the sign and attached the American flag frame using hot glue and wood glue. As you can see here, I added popsicle sticks to reinforce the frame. I also added hot glue for a more secure hold. Since the frames were a little bit wider than the base, I added 3 Jenga blocks to even it out. Next, I applied the antique Waverly wax onto the base with the baby wipe. Then I took the baby wipe and applied the excess wax onto the frame. Next, I took some antique wax and dabbed it onto the metal sign with the baby wipe to give it a more distressed look. I then took the baby wipe and rubbed the antique wax all around the frame. Next, I took my blue and white twine and wrapped it 3 times around the center of the frame, securing it with hot glue. Next, I took my America burlap banner and glued it to the twine. Next, I took the red and white twine and wrapped it around the frame at the top of the base, secured it with hot glue, and tied it in a knot. Yes. For this DIY, I'm using this frame that I got at Hobby Lobby last year in their spring clearance. Some blue and white twine. Some white flowers. And some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I started by making an American flag using the scrapbook paper. Next, I Mod Podged the flag onto the frame, sealing it in place with a top coat of Mod Podge. Next, I made a tassel using the blue and white twine. Next, I wrapped the twine 5 times around the frame, securing it with hot glue. Next, I tied the tassel to the twine and added the flowers, attaching them above the tassel. I am loving how these turned out. Every time I see our American flag, I'm reminded of how blessed I am. These are in honor of our fallen heroes. And for all of you active military, thank you so much. I hope that you are blessed each and every day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to watch the rest of the Sunday Fun Day playlist, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!